Gotta have a tilted.
Hi, I'm Cassidy.
And I'm Eden.
And we are going to be making a secret dish today.
We didn't make it up, but we call it our supersonic dish.
And we're going to show you how to make it. It's delish.
It's mwah.
So first of all, as you can see, we have a mixing bowl, which you will need probably about 6 or 7 inches wide. You'll need 1 or 2 extra bowls for separating the ingredients. And that is pretty much all you need. And you will actually need a paper plate or a plate, regular plate, whatever. So let's get started. First, you're going to take 1/2 cup of flour and pour it into your mixing bowl.
Then we're gonna add just a tiny bit of ground cinnamon. Just a little bit in there.
And mix it up with the whisk. It won't really change the color much, but it will smell like cinnamon. So after that, we want to do all the dry ingredients in here. The next dry ingredient is
Okay. Right here we have powdered sugar. It's gonna add a really good flavoring to it. Goes really well with cinnamon.
Next, you add about, where's the 1/2 cup? You add about 1/3 cup of mini marshmallows. Sorry guys. Okay. You add 1/3 cup, mine's kind of a heaping cup, of mini marshmallows. Put it in. Could you put this away?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so far it looks like this. Oh, sorry, you can't really see that. The next thing is a little pinch of sugar.
I'm just gonna use this.
Okay. And another dry ingredient is some sprinkles. It doesn't really matter what kind of sprinkles, because you're not going to really put that much. I'm a sprinkle kind of person. You probably, if you don't like sprinkles, then you don't have to put them in, but it's just a suggestion. The next thing,
Well, right now,
that we put in is one
that goes first.
teaspoon, right? Yeah, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay.
Then you're gonna use ginger. You shake it up really well. And just pour a bit of that in there. Give it another really nice flavor. Alright.
Okay, after that, you stir it up. So that's it for the dry ingredients. And
Now it's time
to get your bowl for separate ingredients.
Don't.
First, we need a little bit of milk. Well, actually, sorry. Okay. You're going to need about 1/3 of milk. About a 1/3 of milk. Well, about that much. We can put in there. Okay.
Then you're just gonna take a couple squirts of oil. No.
Next thing is a little tiny bit of syrup. It's just country Angelina country syrup. do not put a lot. You put about a teaspoon in.
Use this thread. Just gonna stir this up quick.
Use a whisk. Put
I
that in
didn't
the
want
water.
to get that one dry. But, I mean,
So you just put about a teaspoon in of syrup. Okay?
it sunk to the bottom.
And then you just
So cool.
stir it up. Okay. The next thing
Wait, no, we're trying an egg.
is an egg. We're getting that from the kitchen right now.
Just gonna practice. Wow, it's really hard.
Here again.
I was just gonna do that. Too.
Oh, okay. Okay, and then put that back in there. And then what you put is a little bit of salt. About that much. And just the littlest bit of pepper. Like just a tiny bit.
And I don't know why they said this, but they said that on the article that we read how to make this recipe, just add take 3 grapes, squirt some of its juice in there.
I know it sounds actually pretty bad, but it is very delicious. We had it last night. Just start whisking it up while you put in the grape juice.
There we go.
Put the scraps in the garbage.
Kind of dirty with that, you know. Make sure you wash your hands.
Okay, so after you have done that, it should be a kind of a oak color, kind of tannish. Should I show it quick? Sure. We're gonna show it to you.
Like that.
Okay. And next, it's a couple more dry ingredients with a couple wet ingredients, and that's for the third bowl. The first thing is 1 tablespoon of sugar.
That's just a spoon.
Okay. And a little bit of salt. I know we already have baking soda in the other one, but we're going to put a little more in this one. I'm just going to shake it in there.
And then you're gonna add some vinegar, called rice vinegar. I'm just gonna add the tiniest bit of this.
Then continue to mix it up. It will start to bubble up because, as you know, baking soda and vinegar do react to each other. It should look bubbly like this. Okay.
God.
So when that is done, you want to put it in the yolk liquid.
Oh my God.
Make sure you get all of it because the residue will.
I used to make a drink vinegar instead of using soap.
Okay, the next thing that you do is just mix that up. And it shouldn't really change the color. Maybe make it a little lighter. What is that?
Sorry. God. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is just wait, let me read what the paper says. Okay, yeah, we're gonna pour it in here. Let's watch this.
And then